रजर यही फायर लाइनकै बाटो हिँड्दा हो?
अफर्मेटिभ सर, यही बाटोको यही लोकेसनको अगाडि हो सर।
One of the key factors of Nepal's success has been strong enforcement against poaching, and that's involved the military. Armed units like this one patrol across the park daily.
Tigers are the majestic creatures, Being assigned in the protection duties, it's an honor, it's a privilege to be part of something that is really big.
This is a land whose people have always lived under the menace of marauding tigers. King Mahendra had fulfilled a time-honored obligation of a host in Nepal and provided the royal party with a tiger to shoot.
च्याल्छ बाघले कोतरेको पनि छ यहाँ बाघ छुटेको पनि छ अब हामीहरू रिस हेरेर क्यामेरा ट्र्याप राखौँ हैन
And when you're analysing the footage, how do you make sure that your count is accurate?
मान्छेको यो फिंगरप्रिन्ट फरक भए चाहिँ यो बाघको पाटाहरु पनि एकसँग अर्कोको मिल्दैन त्योबाट चाहिँ काउन्ट हुन्छ एकबाट अर्को नमिल्ने कारणले त्यसरी काउन्ट हुन्छ ए बच्चाहरु हुन्छ पछाडी कोही कता फर्केको हुन्छ कोही कता फर्केको हुन्छ
The common area that the tigers and the prey species and the humanity shares is so tight. The community lives in terror. So there is a price that the community has paid for the world to rejoice, with the news that Nepal has successfully doubled its, tiger numbers.
एक्कासी घ्वा गरेको आवाज आयो अरे बाघले यत्रो मुख फिजाएर आएर आमाको घाटीमा झ्याप्पै समातेर उडाएरै लगे जस्तो भयो अरे के
Right now, the national park is actively trying to increase the tiger population. How do you feel about that?
यस्तो कुरा राष्ट्रिय निकुञ्जमा बाघको जनसङ्ख्या बढाउन विदेशीहरूको आक्रमण बनाउन त हाम्रो लागि पनि सौभाग्यको कुरो हो अबको 1 वर्ष 1.5 वर्षपछि देख्नु होला यो एरियामा नि यसको डबल ट्रिपल पनि महिलाहरू पुरुषहरू यहाँ क्षति हुन्छ
More number of tigers and more number of people, definitely there's going to be conflict. So it is going to be a challenging job for us to, maintain peace between two species.
त्यही पनि मैले सम्झाउँछु किनभने कि बाघको हाम्रो मात्रै के बच्ने अधिकार छ बाघको पनि बच्ने अधिकार छ कि छैन यो पृथ्वी के मानिस मात्रै बस्ने हो प्राणी हो यो यसको पनि बच्ने अधिकार छ यो पनि बस्नु पर्यो